Distinguished guest speaker, Sir Aris S. Liumampo, to our school administrator and beloved principal, Ms. Amabel Carritos, to our dedicated teachers, faculty members, and staff who tirelessly guided and nurtured us through our journey, to our dear parents, families, and guardians whose unwavering support made all of this possible. And of course, to my fellow graduates of batch 2026, a pleasant and heartfelt good morning to all of you. Today is truly a memorable and significant day for all of us. We gather here to celebrate our successful completion of elementary education and to welcome a new chapter in our lives, the beginning of our high school journey. We know that many of us are feeling a mix of emotions, joy, excitement, and perhaps a little of nervousness. But today is a time to celebrate. We have achieved something meaningful, something we can all be proud of. Our journey was not easy. It was filled with challenges, obstacles, and times we felt like giving up. There were late nights, difficult lessons, and stressful exams. But despite all of that, we persevered. With the guidance of our teachers, the encouragement of our parents, and the support of our friends, we have reached this milestone. Looking back, I cannot help but cherish the moments we created together. Moments of laughter, shared struggles, and unforgettable experiences. These moments are the ones that shape who we are today. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to express my deepest gratitude, first and foremost, to our dear Lord, for His gift of life, for His wisdom informed and ending grace and guidance. To our teachers, especially to our advisor, Mr. Justin Ivan Ortiz, thank you for your patience, dedication, and for the countless lessons you have imparted to us. To our parents and families, thank you for your unconditional love, sacrifices, and for your unwavering support. Mommy, Daddy, and Baby Bunjo, these achievements are for you. These medals are not mine, but these are the fruits of our shared sacrifices. Maraming salamat po at mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Maraming salamat.
To my classmates and friends, thank you for walking this journey with me. We will forever cherish the memories we created together. Moments of laughter and bonding moments to challenges we overcame together. May miss talaga natin ang isa't isa. Pati na rin ang mga kwentuhan at simpleng sandali na naging espesyal dahil magkakasama tayo. Because of all of you, we can proudly say, we made it. Fellow graduates, we have reached the end of one chapter, and now we stand at the beginning of another. Ahead of us lies new challenges, new adventures, and new friendships. But let us not forget the lessons we have learned in Holy Trinity Academy of Calamba. Let us move forward with confidence, courage, and determination to continue to pursue our dreams and aspirations. We are now ready to take the next step, stronger, wiser, and more prepared to face whatever comes our way. We are not just pupils, we are individuals, shaped by experiences, guided by values, and ready to make a difference. As Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character, let us all rise and give ourselves a round of applause. Thank you, Holy Trinity Academy of Calamba. Congratulations, class of 2026. This is Gina Dimani team. Thank you and mabuhay.